Hey everybody, I'm Mark and this is a Make Your Mark Craft Minute for DecoArt. Sometimes when I'm working in my art journal or creating a painting, I want more texture on my substrate or canvas. This gives my project more depth and interest. Here are 3 ways to create a more interesting surface for your next project. Crumpled tissue paper works great when applied with Americana decoupage medium. Just crumple, apply, coat with gesso, and start painting. Masking tape is another great way to add some depth when it's ripped, crumpled, and applied in small pieces. And finally, hot glue makes an interesting surface that will truly make your next project 3D. I'll see you next time.